In this video I'll show you how you can split text from Word. As you can see here in the description, you see the description as well as you can see here some numbers. So I'll let you know it's one of the easiest way to remove these numbers from this text. Okay, so what you have to do first, you have to select Control Shift and press down arrow at once. Now this item has been selected. Press Control H in order to find and replace. So you got the option here, find and replace. So first you have to see what comes first, what things you want to, what are the things that you want to remove after. Okay, so you see here this open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Okay, so you want to completely remove this all text and words. So what you have to do, select this all, okay, and then click here. You put this open parenthesis, asterisk, and then close parenthesis. Click on find all. You see a lot of information you got here. Click on replace all. So as you can see here, all the texts, all the numbers has been removed from this description. And another one more thing I want to show you how you can suppose this is the text, okay, and you want to remove these hyphens in this particular column. What you have to do, first you select this particular column and press Control H. Okay, that will bring up find and replace. What you have to do, you have to, in find what, you have to type dash, okay, this dash, and replace with nothing. You do not need to touch this one, and click on find all and then replace all. As you can see here, all the dashes has been removed and I have the complete number here. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for daily upcoming videos. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.